Click, copy, make money. Yes, that's right. It is that simple. You just have to rinse and repeat these 20 to 30 times a day to keep making money. And your average earnings could range anywhere between $100 even up to $1,000. And results may vary depending on the individual. However, if you know our own secret tactics, you easily earn triple more money compared to those who don't watch the video and don't get these bonus tips. And rest assured that this is a 100% free method that doesn't require any investment. Works worldwide on any devices, suitable for newbies who don't have any experience whatsoever. Once again, stay tuned and don't skip any part of this video for the special bonus secret. But before that, make sure you subscribe to all 3 of my YouTube channels and turn on the notification bell for daily new money making videos. And if you want my #1 recommendation and the best way to make money online, make sure you click on the first link in the video description below. Click on that and put in your email address so that I can send you all the details into your email inbox. And with that being said, let's get into the video. Real quick, let me show you the earning potential of this website. Check this out, $55, $200, right here another $35, or even up to $399. Just look at all of the numbers, $17, $24, $17 over and over again. And I'll show you exactly how you can earn big money online just like all of these people right here from any countries in the world. And the coolest part is that you can simply copy and paste using my own secret method while letting the system do all the hard work and manual work for you. No previous experience or tech skill needed for this opportunity. Make sure you watch until the very end of this video so you don't miss out on that important part. First of all, I want you to go to this website, seoclerks.com, and let me show you something very interesting. Now, when you go on this search bar right here, I want you to type in video, and then you're gonna press on the search button. Now, pay close attention. I want you to take a look at this. $150. Over here, $300, $200, $300. This is the kind of money that we are talking about here, which could be life-changing for a lot of people, and it is 100% possible for you as well. And you're gonna notice here, all of these guys, what are they actually doing? Well, they are basically selling a service on seoclerks.com to help people to create YouTube promotional video. Now, you might be thinking, I don't have any experience. I don't know about any technical skills. I don't know what to do. I don't know anything. How can I actually make money on this website? And no worries, because I got you covered. This is exactly why you're watching this video in the first place and learning from me. And I'll try my best to show you this secret method. And once again, you don't have to pay any money. This is 100% free and this is worldwide. So right now, I'll show you how to sign up for a free account and start making money. First of all, just go on and click on this blue join button. Now over here, you can register for a free account. It's actually very simple. You have to put in your email, your username, your password, and your skill. Pay attention and listen. This is very important. For your skill, you have to type in video promotion. And right here, just put in your full name and tick on this I am not a robot and click on the register button. As simple as that. Now moving on to the next step. Once you've registered your free account on seoclerks.com, I want you to go on to this second website right here where you can do simple copy and paste and you can start making money just like all the people that I showed you earlier, making hundreds of dollars on this website. Now for this second website, it is called Animaker. As you can see here, you can create a lot of simple video promotions. Basically, you can just use your mobile phone or computer and do some simple drag and drop or simply just copy and paste, and you can create a high performing video commercial of your own. And again, this is 100% free to use forever. No credit card required to do this. And check this out, there are over 4 million users on this website worldwide. Anyone can do this. And over 5 million videos already created as well. Take a look at this, $0 to get started right away. And real quick, let me show you one example of one of the videos that you can create on this website for free, and then you can start selling them on this website. And take a look at this, all of these guys, they're doing the same thing. They go on and create a very simple YouTube promo video and they're selling to people. Take a look at this, YouTube promotion, YouTube video promotion. All of these guys, they're charging people, for example, $200, $400, $300, or even up to $990, which which is absolutely crazy. And guess what? Most of them just simply use free software to do everything in an automated way. They're using software, for example, just like this website Animaker, and they create simple videos using that. And check this out, I want you to watch this sample video. It's actually very clean, very professional, as you can see here. There are a lot of done for you pre-made templates that you can use right away and start editing them. Now if you stick with me until the very end of this video, I'll show you how you can copy and paste the entire video and how you can upload them to SEOclerks.com and start earning 400, 900 over and over again. But first, we'll have to sign up for a free worldwide account. Now all you have to do is just go on here and click on the sign up link on top, click on sign up. Now very important, pay close attention, don't miss this very important part. You have to put in your name, your email and your password and click on I agree and click on sign up. And after finishing the sign up process, very important, you have to go on to your email inbox and look for an activation email. Look at this, Animaker account activation. You have to click on this link in order to activate your account, and again this is 100% free. Once you go on to your dashboard, this is going to give you the entire template that's done for you. You can just edit them slightly if you want to, or otherwise you can just leave it as it is because they're super professional. And now you can just copy and share them on different websites, for example SEO Clerks, and you can start making hundreds of dollars. Let me show you a real example and demo on one of the templates. You can simply copy and paste and edit them super fast and easy. Everything is here and everything is done for you. Now very important, let me show you how to edit and customize the video on Animaker. However, this is totally optional. Now you can see here on your left hand side there are characters, a lot of different characters which you can actually add them into the template. For example, I want to add in this male guy and I just want to click on them and they're gonna appear on the screen. You can just drag it and drop to anywhere you want. For example, I want to make it smaller, I can just drag it and make it smaller. And then I want to add in another character right here. I just click on them and once again I drag it to become smaller and I'm gonna put in here on the center. This is actually pretty fun and pretty easy as you can see here. So let's do it again. I'll just click on another character. I'll put 3 guys right here on the top here and I'm just gonna put it right here, this one on the center. And after that I'll just click on play and they're gonna start loading for a while. Take a look at this. This is pretty cool and awesome, isn't it? Now you can do a lot of other stuff other than adding character. Now again, you can click on this coffee icon on the left hand side and you can add some other shapes or different text right here. For example, I'm gonna add that burger. I'll just click on the burger and I just drag it and I can just put it at the center. I just want to show you how simple it is to use this free website, this free software, and can create a very simple video. For example, this 1-minute video. They have all the entire template for you as you can see here in the background. And if you want to edit something, you can do it right here. For example, I want to add on text. I don't want the burger, so I just click on this delete icon right here and just delete them. And I can just add in, for example, a logo. Click on this logo and they're gonna appear here, where I can just drag it smaller and just put it right here. Now just like what I showed you, I can do a lot of things on this website. You can just try to navigate around, and this is very simple and I believe anyone can do this. Now you can just click on some of them, click on them, drag it, make it smaller, make it bigger. You can drag it and drop anywhere you want. And then once you're done, you can just click on the play button and see what it looks like. This is just a very simple 1-minute video. Look at that, all the template is here. Basically, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to do anything, everything is done for you on this website. And once you're done with that, you just have to click on this orange publish button and just click on download. Just download this on your phone or computer. This is 100% free, you don't have to spend any money. And once you download that, you can upload there on SEOclerks.com and you can start making hundreds of dollars. Take a look at this. These guys, they are making $600, $450. You don't have to put it at such a high price, especially when you're first getting started. So very important, listen. When you're first starting out, I want you to set the price at around $50 to $150 because by pricing that, you can get a lot of sales because other people, they're selling at a much higher price. For example, take a look at this guy. They're selling for $75. This is actually a very good price to get started, and you're gonna get so many sales, making so many money, and this is a good opportunity for you if you just want to simply copy and paste using a free software that works worldwide. Now, if you are looking for a much easier way to make quick money online, I'll highly recommend you to check out this software, which is called Browse and Bang. Now, Browse and Bang is the world's first system that pay you to use the internet just like what you are doing right now. Now, imagine yourself right now you are watching a YouTube video. What if you can get paid by simply doing just that? Browsing website, watching videos, scrolling through Facebook posts, and that's how you can get paid every single hour by using this special software, which is called Browse and Bang. And there are a lot of people getting real results, as you can see here. Today, $70, and right here in just 33 minutes, right, for browsing on Facebook. Right here, another one, $145 in 59 minutes by browsing on YouTube. And right here, another guy, right, watching videos on TikTok, $95. So if you want to start making money, I highly recommend you to check out Browse and Bang. Make sure you click on the link in the video description to check out this software. Go on there and watch this video to learn more information about how you can start making money starting right now. Now, if you think that today's video is too difficult and you want a much easier and a simpler method to make money, I have something really special to show you. All you have to do is to click on the first link in the video description below. Click on that right now, enter your email address, and I'll send you over all the details into your email inbox. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.